Microsoft 365 Copilot is an innovative training tool designed to enhance productivity within the Microsoft 365 suite, leveraging artificial intelligence to assist users in navigating and maximizing the utility of various Microsoft applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. The primary benefit of Microsoft 365 Copilot is its ability to significantly boost efficiency and creativity among users by offering real-time suggestions, automating repetitive tasks, and facilitating more intuitive interaction with software features. Research and data surrounding Microsoft 365 Copilot underscore its effectiveness in reducing time spent on manual data entry and complex formatting tasks, thereby allowing users to focus on more strategic aspects of their work. For instance, Copilot can generate comprehensive reports or insightful data analyses with minimal user input. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the Microsoft 365 Copilot training. It is open to anyone eager to explore AI-powered solutions within the Microsoft 365 suite. What will you learn? During the course you will learn utilizing AI in Microsoft 365 for workflow efficiency, automating tasks in Word, Excel, Outlook with Copilot, enhancing team collaboration with AI tools, integrating Copilot in daily work for productivity, analyzing and presenting data with AI insights, improving document creation and management, managing work environments with AI security tools. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about Microsoft 365 Copilot and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our Microsoft 365 Copilot subject matter experts have profound understanding of Microsoft Copilot, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of Microsoft domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. The advent of Microsoft 365 Copilot represents a significant step forward in how professionals interact with digital workspaces, heralding a future where AI assistants are integral to every Microsoft 365 to elevate your work efficiency.